Hey, health enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the top 5 cold-pressed juicers of 2025, breaking down their standout features so you can choose the best one for your needs. Let's get juicing.
The AMZCHEF Slow Masticating Juicer is a powerhouse for anyone looking to get maximum nutrients and flavor from their produce. It uses a 7-spiral auger system, which extracts juice with incredible efficiency, squeezing out up to 90% juice yield from your fruits and vegetables. This means less waste and more juice packed with essential vitamins and enzymes. The low-speed motor, 80 RPM, reduces heat buildup and oxidation, ensuring your juice stays fresh, vibrant, and nutrient-rich for longer. It's designed with a reverse function to tackle clogs and tough ingredients like celery and ginger effortlessly. Plus, its quiet operation means you can juice in the early mornings without waking up the household. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, detachable parts, and its sleek, compact design makes it easy to store on your countertop. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, citrus, or hard veggies, the AMZCHEF is a reliable, high-performance option that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Next on our list is the premium Hurom H400, designed for those who want a hassle-free juicing experience. The standout feature here is its easy clean design. The days of scrubbing fine mesh strainers are over. This juicer has simplified components that can be rinsed clean in seconds. The wide hopper allows you to load multiple ingredients at once, eliminating the need for constant feeding and cutting. Its hands-free operation means you can load your produce and walk away while it does the work. The slow masticating technology extracts maximum juice with minimal oxidation, locking in nutrients and keeping your juice fresh for hours. The quiet motor ensures you can juice without adding noise pollution to your kitchen. Its modern, minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. If you value convenience, high-quality juice, and sleek aesthetics, the Hurom H400 is worth every penny. The Ninja JC151 is a versatile and compact juicer that punches well above its weight. Its NeverClog technology ensures uninterrupted juicing, even with tougher produce like beets and carrots, making it ideal for daily juicing. The 2 interchangeable pulp filters let you customize your juice texture, whether you prefer ultra-smooth drinks or a bit of pulp for added fiber. The total pulp control feature ensures no ingredient goes to waste, maximizing your juice output. It's incredibly easy to use, with straightforward assembly and dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup almost effortless. Despite its powerful performance, the JC151 has a space-saving design that fits neatly on any countertop. If you're a busy person who needs quick, mess-free juicing, the Ninja JC151 is a fantastic choice. The Hurom H320 is for serious juice enthusiasts who prioritize efficiency and quality. Its ultra-wide 3.5-inch feed chute lets you juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, saving time and effort. This feature alone makes it a standout, especially for those with busy mornings. It uses Hurom's signature slow masticating technology to extract nutrient-dense juice with minimal foam and oxidation, keeping your drink fresh and packed with vitamins. The smart self-cleaning system allows you to rinse the machine between juices or after use without disassembling it fully, making it incredibly user-friendly. The sleek modern design and whisper-quiet motor make it an attractive addition to any kitchen. Perfect for anyone looking for a premium, efficient, and hassle-free juicing experience. The H320 delivers unparalleled results. Rounding out our list is the BRECIOUS cold press juicer, a fantastic option for those on a budget who don't want to compromise on quality. It features an upgraded auger system that ensures optimal juice extraction while preserving essential nutrients and enzymes. The dual speed settings make it adaptable for both soft fruits like berries and tougher produce like carrots or ginger. The anti-drip spout keeps your kitchen mess-free, and the detachable parts are easy to clean. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or those new to juicing. Despite its affordable price, the BRECIOUS juicer delivers high performance and consistent results, making it a great entry point for anyone exploring cold press juicing.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.